Hello everyone. Welcome to PC Vina, where we update the latest technology products in the most in-depth analysis. Today, I bring you a new monster from AMD, Ryzen 7 9800X3D. This is not just a CPU, but a perfect combination of outstanding performance and advanced technology, promising to change the way you experience the world of gaming and creative work. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is the result of AMD's relentless drive to enhance user experience. With the groundbreaking 3D V-Cache technology, AMD has taken a massive leap forward, ushering in a new era of processors. Think cache memory is just a few MBs? Think again. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D boasts an incredible 128 megabytes of L3 cache, doubling the size of its predecessor. But what does this mean for you? Simply put, 3D V-Cache technology reduces latency to a minimum, enhances fast data processing, and delivers superior gaming performance. The heaviest AAA titles like Starfield, Cyberpunk 2077, or Baldur's Gate 3 will no longer be a challenge for the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. Smooth visuals, high frame rates, no lag or FPS drops. This is a dream for any gamer, and the Ryzen 7 9800X3D makes that dream come true. Let's take a look at what makes the Ryzen 7 9800X3D so impressive. It has 8 cores and 16 threads, making it ideal for both gaming and demanding multi-threaded tasks. Its base clock is 4.2 GHz, with a boost speed of up to a remarkable 5 GHz for peak performance when needed. A key highlight is the 96 megabytes L3 cache using 3D V-Cache technology, which reduces latency and speeds up data access, resulting in faster load times and smoother gameplay. Built on the cutting-edge 5nm process, this CPU combines class-leading performance with excellent power efficiency. Plus, its AM5 socket ensures compatibility with the latest motherboards. In short, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is built to handle everything from intense gaming to creative workflows, making it one of the most versatile processors available today. Top reviewers from leading tech sites like Tom's Hardware, TechRadar, and Linus Tech Tips are unanimous in their praise. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a standout, ranking among the best gaming CPUs on the market today. It delivers a significant performance boost of 10 to 20% over its predecessor, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D, while also offering superior energy efficiency compared to Intel's top-tier models like the Core i9-14900K. Beyond gaming, experts have praised its performance in creative workloads. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and Blender benefit from the large L3 cache, speeding up tasks like video rendering and 3D modeling. The consistent high scores in both gaming and productivity benchmarks make it clear. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a versatile powerhouse, excelling across a wide range of uses. To sum it up, the experts agree. If you're looking for a processor that delivers top-tier gaming performance, excels in multitasking, and provides outstanding value, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a must-have. So, is the Ryzen 7 9800X3D a worthy upgrade? Absolutely. For gamers, its 3D V-Cache technology and high clock speeds guarantee smooth, stutter-free performance, even in the most demanding AAA titles. Competitive gamers will love the consistent high FPS, perfect for high refresh rate monitors. For creators, it's a powerhouse. With 106 megabytes L3 cache and advanced 5nm process, tasks like 4K video editing and 3D rendering are faster and more efficient. Multitasking is seamless, making it ideal for those juggling heavy applications. In short, if you want top-notch gaming, creative performance, and efficiency all in one package, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a fantastic choice. Upgrade now and take your PC experience to a new level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.